Well, today I'm out here with the Raptor, and I'm going to try out my new Apple Watch to see how well it does on the trail and see if I can actually track it and give myself a good idea if you can use it as a tracking tool for ATVs. Today I'm going to use the Outdoor Walkabout app. It's about $6 in the App Store. I'm going to see if the breadcrumb feature works. If you look at the dial, it lets you pan in and out. And I'm at Carolina Adventure World, so we'll see if some of these trails are actually on here or not. Right here's where I'm parked, so we'll see how well this works. It may look like the trails are pretty smooth, but it was so bumpy, but it really wasn't that fun of a ride, even with the Raptor's good suspension. And it was all I could do to keep on the trail. It's so bumpy and rocky out at Adventure World. I would definitely go out and soften your suspension before you go out to Adventure World. All right, let's check out the breadcrumbs feature on this app. Took me all the way around that little trail I went and brought me all the way back. And you can keep panning out with it as far as you want. And you can move the map, and it didn't matter how fast I went. It kept up with me. My cell phone carrier does not have coverage for the watch. It won't let me piggyback with my cell phone. Even though it's a part of AT&T, it's separate. So you'll have to tether with your phone if you can't get a SIM for your watch. But out here at Carolina Adventure World, it seems like the trails are pretty much on here for the most part. So that's really nice. I made another trip down another trail, and it seems like it's one trip and back so far. I'm not sure if he just kept riding, if it would, have multiple trails or not, but it seems like it's just one trail at a time, because I went on another trail that was pretty much straight and back, but it led me straight back. But the green is where I started, and the arrow is where I'm at now. So it's pretty well. Seems to work pretty accurately from wherever you stop. I would say using this watch as a backup on a off-road trail is a good option. I wouldn't risk my life on it. Always carry a map with you. But for little day trips, going to the off-road park, just to make sure you don't get lost and keep going around and around the same trail.